guys, Sunday the 7th of January 2018. More outdoors, Jay here, coming to you live from Prairie Siding Bridge. That's the Prairie Siding Bridge down that way, looking upriver. Not a whole lot going on. I did not mark a single fish here, but that guy right there in that red and green huts, they got 3 really big hogs on the ice. But they've been here since before dawn, and I have not seen anybody catch a fish here. I haven't seen anybody land one, just those 3 that I've seen sitting on the ice. I talked to a bunch of guys up and down here. It's very, very slow. I think the fish have moved all the way back up further east towards Chatham. Anyway, the search continues. Stay tuned. Hit the like button. I'll keep bringing you guys more reports all week long. Talk to you later.